You see, a lot of the times people try to run away from their hardships and run away and try to hide from their hardships. But the truth is, the hardships in our life have toughened us. We went through them, we survived them, we struggled with them. So they have made us much more powerful human beings. Yes, you had a bad hand, but that is where once you overcame it, once you went through it, once you survived it, you came out stronger, you came out better. And that's where your power resides. Just like when you're in the gym and you're lifting weights. When you are lifting weights, it is a hardship, but that weight is actually making you stronger. So the hardships in your life are actually making your life stronger. Seneca, the great Stoic philosopher, in his books Letters from a Stoic, he said, I judge you unfortunate because you have never lived through misfortune. You have passed through life without an opponent. No one can ever know what you're capable of, not even you. So Seneca is saying that if you have not had any misfortune, if you have never lived through hardships, then you are unfortunate because you will never be strong. You will never know what you're capable of. You will never be able to have enough strength in your life. So if you have not gone through misfortune, you are unfortunate. That's a very profound way to look at it. That's a very profound way to look at the challenges that you have gone through in life. A lot of people become victims to the challenges that they have encountered in their lives, but the key is to turn them around. So you have to use those negatives. You have to use those negatives to propel you forward. You have to own them and make them a part of your life. Yes, you had a bad hand, but realize that you are going to overcome them. You are overcoming them. You are becoming a tough person as a result of those hardships. So what do low self-esteem people do? They blame their difficulties. They blame their challenging circumstances. They blame everything on the outside world. But high self-esteem people, they find power from these difficult and challenging situations. They use these difficult and challenging circumstances to become better, to become stronger, and they grow their self-esteem as a result of it. You see, it is the tough times that make us stronger. It's the easy times that make us weaker. So here's a powerful exercise for you. Find power in everything negative that has happened in your life. Write down all the negative stuff that has happened in your life. Own it. And now think of 3 ways in which that negative has made you better and stronger and tougher. And as you do that, you will consistently grow your self-esteem because you will constantly see your negatives. You will constantly see those challenging circumstances as something that have helped you, that are constantly helping you become a stronger, tougher human being. So definitely do this exercise. Highly recommend this book, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, by the way.